Hello everyone, we are here to bring your smiles back.
Whatever you are, you start becoming unique in that profession.
They started at a very basic level and he has covered everything including the complications and all.
I totally enjoyed teaching here and working here and doing a surgery here because all the participants were very enthusiastic and were very sincere.
And people like me could learn much from this course.
And I definitely recommend this academy.
Amazing course, amazing host, Smile Dental.
Looking forward to more good times, meeting more people, and looking forward to working with the Smile Dental team. Thank you very much for a wonderful time over here. Thank you.